What if BMW refused to let luxury SUVs choose between elegance and aggression, or comfort and performance? The 2026 BMW X8 exists at that exact intersection, a flagship coupe-style SUV imagined to sit above BMW's entire lineup. If this vision becomes reality, the X8 could represent the boldest and most powerful luxury SUV BMW has ever attempted. Today in this video, we explore the 2026 BMW X8, a flagship coupe-style luxury SUV concept that represents BMW's most ambitious attempt yet to push beyond familiar boundaries and redefine the very top of its lineup. Exterior design, bold presence without apology. At first glance, the BMW X8 is engineered to command attention rather than request it. The front fascia is dominated by an oversized kidney grille that immediately communicates flagship intent, often imagined with illumination to reinforce BMW's modern design direction. Ultra-slim LED matrix headlights sharpen the look further, giving the X8 a confident, almost confrontational expression. This is a design meant to be recognized instantly, whether parked or moving. The sculpted hood and deeply carved character lines emphasize strength and mass without appearing excessive. Every surface feels deliberate, designed to highlight width and power rather than decoration. Unlike traditional boxy SUVs, the X8 adopts a coupe-inspired roofline that slopes aggressively toward the rear, introducing elegance and motion while maintaining a commanding stance. It's a balance of athleticism and authority. From the side, large alloy wheels, often envisioned up to 23 inches, fill the arches completely, anchoring the vehicle visually to the road. At the rear, sleek LED taillights stretch across the tailgate, visually widening the SUV and reinforcing its planted presence. Performance-focused interpretations include quad exhaust outlets, subtly hinting at the capability beneath the surface. Nothing here feels accidental. What truly defines the exterior is restraint. Instead of relying on excessive styling, the X8 communicates dominance through proportion, lighting, and stance. It looks like a vehicle designed to lead rather than follow. And once the design has your attention, the next question becomes impossible to ignore. Does the performance live up to the promise? Performance and driving dynamics. Strength with sophistication. A flagship SUV must deliver more than visual confidence. It must perform at a level worthy of its position. The BMW X8 concept is typically associated with BMW's highest output powertrains, particularly those influenced by the brand's performance-focused engineering philosophy. Most interpretations center around a twin-turbocharged V8, aligning the X8 with BMW's most powerful offerings. The expectation is clear: effortless strength without sacrificing refinement. This type of powertrain would deliver substantial torque and rapid acceleration, allowing a large luxury SUV to move with surprising urgency. Despite its size, the X8 is imagined as capable of reaching highway speeds in times normally reserved for much smaller performance vehicles. Power delivery would be managed through BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, ensuring traction, balance, and confidence in all conditions. Performance here is meant to feel controlled, not chaotic. Advanced suspension systems play a critical role in achieving that balance. Adaptive air suspension allows the vehicle to adjust ride height and stiffness depending on the selected driving mode. In comfort settings, the X8 would prioritize smoothness and isolation, making long journeys effortless. Switch to sport-oriented modes, and the chassis tightens, steering sharpens, and the vehicle adopts a more aggressive personality. Active roll stabilization further enhances cornering confidence by reducing body movement and improving composure. Multiple drive modes allow the X8 to shift seamlessly between relaxed cruising and performance-focused engagement. This dual personality is essential for a flagship SUV that refuses to compromise. But power alone doesn't define luxury. The interior must deliver an experience to match. Interior experience. Luxury as an atmosphere. Inside the BMW X8, the focus shifts from raw performance to refined presence. The interior is imagined as a space that feels less like a traditional cabin and more like a private lounge on wheels. High-quality materials dominate every surface, creating an environment that immediately communicates craftsmanship and attention to detail. This is a space designed to be experienced, not just occupied. Premium leather upholstery, carefully selected wood or carbon fiber trims, brushed metal accents, and customizable ambient lighting work together to create a sophisticated atmosphere. The dashboard design centers around BMW's curved display architecture, integrating a digital instrument cluster with a wide infotainment screen. This unified layout reduces clutter while keeping essential information easily accessible. The design feels modern without being overwhelming. The infotainment system is envisioned as fast, intuitive, and future-ready, offering wireless smartphone connectivity, advanced voice controls, and over-the-air updates. Technology here is designed to assist rather than distract, supporting the driving experience instead of competing with it. Everything is positioned to feel natural and intuitive. Seating comfort is a central priority. The seats are designed to be both supportive and plush, with extensive adjustability for front and rear passengers. Heating, ventilation, and massage functions are often imagined throughout the cabin, while thoughtful design preserves generous legroom despite the coupe-style roofline. A panoramic glass roof further enhances the sense of openness. And with this level of comfort and sophistication, safety and technology must rise to the same standard. Technology and safety, intelligence at every level. Technology and safety are integral to the X8's identity as a modern flagship SUV, shaping how the vehicle interacts with both driver and environment. Advanced driver assistance systems are imagined as standard or widely available, designed to reduce workload while enhancing confidence behind the wheel. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking work together seamlessly. The emphasis is on intelligent support rather than constant intervention, allowing the driver to remain fully engaged. A surround view camera system simplifies parking and low-speed maneuvering, particularly in tight urban environments where visibility matters most. Highway-focused assistance features further enhance long-distance comfort, allowing the vehicle to manage certain driving tasks under specific conditions. These systems are intended to make everyday driving easier and safer, not to replace the human element that defines the BMW driving experience. The intelligence of the X8 lies in how these systems operate quietly in the background, responding only when necessary. They intervene subtly and predictably, preserving the sense of control and confidence that BMW drivers expect. Safety becomes a natural extension of the driving experience rather than a distraction from it. In a vehicle of this caliber, technology isn't about novelty or visual spectacle, it's about reassurance. Every system exists to make the journey smoother, calmer, and more secure, regardless of distance or conditions. But with this level of innovation and luxury, one unavoidable question remains: where exactly does the X8 position itself in the market? Pricing and positioning, ultra-luxury territory. A vehicle positioned as a flagship inevitably enters premium territory when it comes to pricing, and the BMW X8 concept is no exception. It is typically framed as sitting above BMW's existing SUV lineup, placing it firmly within the ultra-luxury segment. This positioning reflects not just size and power, but exclusivity, ambition, and brand confidence. The X8 is not designed to compete on value, it is designed to lead on presence and prestige. Projected pricing reflects this elevated status, especially when performance-oriented variants and optional luxury packages are taken into account. The X8 is imagined to sit alongside other top-tier luxury SUVs, where design integrity, engineering excellence, and brand heritage matter more than pure practicality. At this level, buyers expect a complete experience rather than a checklist of features. Ownership here is about more than transportation or convenience. Buyers are investing in identity, innovation, and engineering confidence that aligns with their lifestyle and aspirations. The X8 appeals to those who want performance without sacrificing comfort and luxury without conservative styling. It's aimed at individuals who view their vehicle as a statement of ambition rather than a simple utility. What ultimately makes the X8 compelling is how it consolidates multiple identities into a single form. It doesn't choose between luxury and performance. It insists on delivering both at the highest level. And if this vision becomes reality, the X8 may not just sit at the top of BMW's lineup, it may redefine what a flagship SUV is meant to represent. The 2026 BMW X8 embodies BMW's bold vision for a next-generation flagship SUV, blending striking design, performance, technology, and luxury without compromise. Whether it becomes reality or not, it raises a bigger question. If this is the future of luxury SUVs, the X8 could redefine the entire category. If you enjoyed this in-depth breakdown and want more professional automotive content like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.